So just to follow up on the install, I couldn't get these on-hook, off-hook buttons working, and the mode button working on my steering wheel controls. All the others are working okay. So I've got a fix for it now. So this plug here at the back, where are we? This one here. This is, if you look it up on the Tech Doc site, is F23. That's the steering wheel controls. So there's the cores that are on the back of it. So the feedback from the telephone buttons is this pink wire here. I've already chopped it now, but it was connected to here. So all I've done is, instead of that pink going through to this into the new stereo head unit, I've chopped it off back on this side of the plug, and I've direct connected it to SW2 switch 2. Okay, so switch 1, yep, that one's already working. So just plugging this up will make switch 1 work all right. It's just that switch 2 doesn't work okay. So I've only connected up switch 2, cut the pink, solder it on to the switch 2 input, which is the orange and black stripe. Then I'll go through showing you how to program it up. So rightio, we're going to program up the telephone buttons. So just a matter of going to settings, down to the bottom there, and click on wheel settings, and that's what it'll look like there. So at the minute none are programmed, but straight out the box, your volume buttons and your channel up down buttons are working. It's just these ones this side are not. So we don't need to program, don't need to touch any of the volume. So all we've got to do now is make sure it's clicked on low Z. Okay, so the one you want to program, I want to program hang up button. So all I do now is just push and hold the hang up button now, and you'll see, there you go, that's it programmed. Same again, I'll push the on hook, hold the button, and then the last one to program then is just the mode button over here. Mode button, mode. There we go. And that's all our buttons saved. So after that, just click save, and that's it. So